Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I will be sharing a mini haul slash mini review. So I got 4 products from Senfe from Nykaa, and I've been using these products for over 15 days now. So I thought why not share my mini review with you guys. So this is a try on haul, and actually I'm going to show you how you want to use these products and what are the benefits of using these products. Now if you have acne prone skin or you are actually getting acne these days on your face, I think you should watch this video till the end to know how beneficial these products are going to be if you are having acne on your face. I do not have acne prone skin, but this hot and humid weather just disturbed my skin so badly, and I started getting acne all over my face. That's when I started using these products and I got amazing results. That's why I'm going to share with you how you can actually use these products to benefit your skin. And yeah, I'm going to talk about everything about these products, the price point, the quantity, the benefits, and where you can actually get these products, so everything in detail. So yeah, let's begin. So the first step that I will be doing is shaving my face. Now I know shaving your face might sound a little scary to a lot of people, but trust me, shaving your face has got multiple benefits. I cannot even tell you, but I will tell you actually. So yeah, firstly let me just show you the product and then I will just tell you the benefits. So I got this right here. So this is the Senfe Glide Face Razors, and actually you can use these razors in 5 different ways. So these are like multi-use razors. You can use these razors for your eyebrows, for your upper lips, for your peach fuzz, for your chin hair as well, and also for your bikini line. So these are like really good quality razors, and you get 3 razors in this particular packet. This retails for only 233 rupees, which is very affordable. Now let me show you how the razor looks like. So you're gonna get this kind of a razor. First of all, this looks really cute, and this is a pink razor, and you also get a cap with this to secure it. So you just want to use a razor on your clean face. There should be no makeup on your face. You can, if you like, you can actually use these razors just on your proper clean dry face, and if you like, you can apply aloe vera gel or maybe a moisturizer if you want something in between, like your skin and the razor. Whatever suits you, you can do. So you want to hold this razor in 45 degrees. Do not keep this perpendicular on your skin, that way you can actually end up cutting yourself. So just always keep this in 45 degrees and then lightly move this. You do not want to apply a lot of pressure. You can see I'm not applying so much of the pressure, just very light pressure, and you would be able to see that my hair is getting removed. It is like a really nicely sharp razor. This is not extremely sharp. It's very actually easy to use. Even if you're a beginner, you can actually use these razors. These are like really nicely built. Now let me just tell you the benefits of shaving your face. So first benefit is very much clear, that you are actually gonna get rid of all the facial hair, all the peach fuzz, which kind of makes our makeup look not that soft and not that I would say not that flawless. I feel if you just remove your facial hair and then put on makeup, you would be able to see a huge difference. So that is the first benefit. If you just use the razor regularly, it's gonna remove the dead skin cell on the top layer of your skin, but it also generates blood flow, like blood circulation. So that is great for your skin. So when you shave your face and the dead skin cell gets removed, so when you apply a skincare product that penetrates better into your skin, and you are actually gonna get better results with your skincare products as well. Obviously with time you will see great results just by shaving your face. It just makes a huge difference. It really improves the skin texture, and your makeup sits so beautifully on top of like clean face, right? So your makeup is gonna look really nice. Your skin texture is gonna improve because of the blood circulation. Your dead skin cells are going to get removed, and also your skincare products gonna penetrate deeply, and you are actually gonna get better results. So shaving your face, I would say I cannot actually recommend this enough. I've been shaving my face for over 3 years now, and I saw amazing results. And yeah, this is the first step that I like to do. I do not do this daily. I do this maybe once in 2 days or maybe once in 3 days. I do not do this daily because you do not actually grow that much of facial hair daily on, you know, on the daily basis. We girls do not get that much of hair growth, so you can actually use this maybe on alternate days. Whatever kind of hair growth you have on your face, depending on that you can use these razors, but these are like great quality razors. So after shaving your face, you want to wash your face, and then the next step that I like to do in all the seasons, be it summer, be it winter, be it monsoon, I always like to apply a good hyaluronic serum. And the serum that I am actually currently using these days is this one right here. So this is a Senfe Promise Face Serum Short. This has 2% of hyaluronic acid plus vitamin B5. So this comes in a cardboard packaging just like this, and all the details are mentioned right here on the back of the packaging. This one retails for $2.99, and you are actually getting 2 years of expiry, so you would be able to, you know, finish this product in 2 years obviously. So that's a very long period of time that you are actually going to get. And you can actually see I have used quite a lot of this in 15 days because I love this product so much, and I like to use this in day and night, like in my morning skincare routine and also in my night skincare routine. I just love this product so much. This one has a little bit of fragrance, but that doesn't really linger, so yeah, that doesn't really bother me. This one is a great product. The consistency of this is not super thick, not super thin. If you can see that, it's, I would say it's like pretty much thin only, it's not thick, so it's perfect for summers. I don't really like to apply something which is very thick and greasy, especially during summers. During winters do I apply anything like very thick, but during winters I like to apply something which is like very you know, comfortable on my face, and that's what this serum is. And hyaluronic acid is my favorite ingredient out of all the ingredients. I mean, that is like very good for the skin. You can actually use this daily in your skincare routine, and this just gives amazing results. I mean, this is gonna fight the wrinkles, the fine lines, and it's gonna give you like a really nice glowy plump skin. You are actually getting 30 ml of the product, so it's actually very affordable. For 299 rupees you are getting 30 ml of the product. I would say this is the most affordable hyaluronic acid serum that I personally have ever used. Normally hyaluronic acid serums are very expensive in the market, but this one is very affordable, and you are actually getting 30 ml of the product, so it's gonna last you for around maybe 2 months if you use this regularly. So it is a amazing affordable product. The next step is, I would say, very important, because I said that I was actually having acne situation going on my face, and that's why I started using this product. And if you are a skincare enthusiast, you know what is the best ingredient for your acne, and that is salicylic acid, and that's why I started using this product right here. So this is a Senfe Promise Face Serum Short, and this one has 2% of salicylic acid. So this product again is such beautiful product. Again, you are gonna get all the ingredient list right here. This one again retails for only 299 rupees. Again, the most affordable salicylic acid serum I have actually ever used. I feel all these Senfe products are very affordable and beginners friendly. If you are tight on your budget, actually you can use these products. Again, you can use this in your morning skincare routine and also in your night care skincare routine. It's beautiful. If you're a beginner, do not apply this like in your morning and night skincare routine, because that would be too much. I'm not a beginner. I've been applying active ingredients on my face for over a year, maybe more than that now, and that's why I can apply this. But if you're a beginner, just give your skin a little time. Maybe start by applying this alternate days, and then slowly gradually you can increase the time, and then you can apply this regularly in your skincare routine. But salicylic acid is great for active acne, and that's why I started using this, and I've seen great results with this one. This one is a little thick as compared to the previous one. You can see it is a little thick, but it's not greasy or oily. So after you apply this on your face, after I would say 20 to 30 seconds ke baad mein, it just kind of disappears. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin, it doesn't feel sticky. So that's very important for me. Sometimes when you apply serums, it kind of leaves your skin with that stickiness. That's not gonna happen with these serums. It just, you know, gets absorbed very quickly into the skin, and it is giving me amazing results. So hyaluronic acid and salicylic acid is great combination. Now if you use salicylic acid in your daily skincare routine, this not only gonna treat your active acne, but also this is gonna reduce the appearance of dark spots like acne marks, and also this is gonna reduce the blackheads or whiteheads as well. So if you are someone who deals with, you know, blackheads all over your nose, if you use salicylic acid daily in your skincare routine, it is actually gonna exfoliate your skin very gently, because salicylic acid is a exfoliator, right? So it is a BHA, it's a great BHA. So if you use this daily on your skincare, in your skincare routine, so you are actually gonna get rid of that stubborn blackheads and whiteheads. So it's a great product. Last but definitely not the least, which is, I would say, again, very important for your skincare routine. If you have normal skin, dry skin, oily skin, combination skin, acne prone skin, whatever kind of skin you have, you want to follow this step. So the next step is applying a sunscreen. So I have this sunscreen from Senfe. This is the Senfe Face Lush sunscreen for oily and acne prone skin. This has SPF of 50 PA+++. This has UVA and UVB protection. As I said that I was dealing with acne, and that's why I got this one, because this is especially for acne prone skin. Best part about this sunscreen is that this doesn't leave any white cast, and also this doesn't pill. So these are the really like annoying factors about a sunscreen. Even though it protects your skin, a lot of sunscreen leave your skin with that white cast, and you look so bad with that. You just cannot step out, you know, out of your house applying a sunscreen sometimes, because that white cast looks so terrible on the face, right? But with this one, you are actually not gonna get any white cast. This doesn't pill, so it's a beautiful product. This could be one of the reason that you are actually getting acne, because sun exposure makes your skin like very you know, intolerant. So yeah, sunscreen is a very important step to follow if you are dealing with active acne. I mean, protecting your skin from harsh sun rays is very important. If you are heading out, make sure to apply a sunscreen, and if you are at home as well, just apply a sunscreen. It's a very simple step, to be very honest. I never actually skip on sunscreen even if I'm at home, because it's extremely hot, and you know, we have windows in our homes, right? So the sun rays comes into the home and it really damages your skin. So if you're at home, you still wants to apply a sunscreen, because it's very important. This one I feel is great. I mean, if you have dry skin as well, you can try this. But if you have oily or, you know, combination skin, or if you have acne prone skin, this is a perfect product for you. I just love this one so much, and I apply this daily, and that's why I'm, you know, seeing very good results. You can see my skin is right now in great condition. To be very honest, I was getting very bad acne like 10 to 15 days back. It was really bad, but now I feel very much comfortable, and my skin is kind of healing, and I'm really happy. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for any of you out there who is dealing with the same situation, like the acne prone skin or maybe the acne situation. You can get all these products from Nykaa. I got all these products from Nykaa, and all of these are very affordable. So yeah, that is what I have to do for you guys. I really hope you guys found this video helpful and also enjoyed watching this. If you did, then you know what to do, right? Just like, share and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. I love you guys all so much. Bye.